Assalamu alaikum guys, I hope you guys are fine, and thank you for your love to giving likes and view of my videos. So mostly I am busy, that is the reason I am not make videos uh, like professional, and only I want to guide you the main things. And you can see the germination of shooting is start here, and today I was try to growing fig because now today is 14 March 2023. So the easy way to grow the fig, you can grow it normal gardening soil, but before seedling you need to remember one main thing. Before seedling, fill your pots with soil and give water. When water drain from the hole, like then you can spread your and sprinkle your seeds, then cover with the thin layer of normal gardening soil or river sand or coco peat. Then with the hand or bottle shower you can slowly and gently give your upper layer of coco peat or anything what do you have, you can spray it well on your plant upper surface and pot upper surface. So you can see the few seeds are here and others are down in the layer of the coco peat. So in shorts you will find those video how I spread the seeds of fig. And I hope you understand my weak English, because most of the people requested that make video in English. So my many videos, same videos in Urdu and English, both language available on my YouTube channel. So thank you for your time. Assalamu alaikum.